Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, in this video we are still on enlargement and reduction, and we are drawing to this ratio. That is ratio 3 to 5. So RF will be equals to 3 all over 5. The actual size is 5, so the new one that I want to generate is 3. So that means we are reducing. So let us start our drawing. So let's say I'll draw my AB to be 80. This is A, B. So I want to locate E. I'll measure 30 on, no, it's 60, not 30. This is 60. I'll measure 60 on my compass. I'll mark arc here. Then I'll do BE. What's BE? 130. I'll stay on B, measure 130, and I'll mark this arc. So this will be my E. So you join it to A. Now to locate C, I'll measure BC, which is 60. I'll stay here, mark the arc, that's 60. Then I'll go and look for AC. What's AC? 120. I'll stay on A with 120. I'll mark this other arc. So to give me this one, I'll have my C. What am I left with? I'm left with D. I know that my DC is 80. I'll stay on C, measure 80. I'll mark this arc. Then my ED is 100. I'll stay on E, measure 100. I'll mark this arc. So I'll join it like this and like that. So I have my shape now. So the next thing, just like the previous one, extend the base on both sides. No, okay, you don't even need it for this one because we are reducing, but we need it on this particular side. So next thing you're going to do is to now measure 5 points, because 5 is the highest here. So measure 5 equal points. Maybe 1 cm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now between 5 and A, you bisect it. You stay on 5, you mark arc here and here. Stay on A, mark arc here and here. Draw the bisector. Now you now stay at, let's call this place O1. This O1 and 5. Put your pencil on 5, your pin on O1, and you draw a semicircle. Is that clear? Now you go to the other ratio. Part of the ratio is 3. So you go to 3, between 3 and A, bisect it. You stay on 3, you mark arc here and here. Stay on A, mark arc here and here. So you draw another bisector. So it's meeting the here. Let's call this place O2. So between O2 and 3, you draw another semicircle. So that's that. So after you have done that, the next thing you're doing now is to draw your perpendicular line at point B. Perpendicular line downward. So I'll stay here, I'll put a semicircle across like this. Then I'll stay here, I'll mark arc, stay here, mark another arc. So I'll draw my perpendicular line like this. Now, take note, this time around, the actual size is 5. Meaning it is the semicircle of the bigger one, which is 5. So it will meet it at this point. So let's call this place F and join it to A like this. Is that clear? Now, after you have done that one, the next one, the other circle, which is the smaller one, which is the one we need now, is 3. Where it is intersecting that perpendicular line is here. So this is our G. So you're going to transfer this AF to G. Transfer it AF to G. Let's do that. Put it on AF and transfer it to G. Like this. You take it here. Aha. So that will give us our A prime. So this point is our A prime. So what do you do next? Draw radial lines from B like this and like this. So you're going to transfer AE to A prime. So I'm transferring AE to A prime. Transfer AE to A prime like this. Bring it here until you reach the radial line. Until it gets to the radial line. This is the radial line, so this place is E prime. Now the next radial line is this one. So I'm going to transfer ED from E to that radial line. Put it on ED first, then slide it until it gets to E. Aha, it's on E now. Take it to that radial line. So this one will give me my D prime. This is D prime. And the last one is DC. We're going to transfer DC to D prime. Put it like this. Put it on DC and shift it to the D prime like this. So that is the so this place will be my C prime. So you can see B, A prime, E prime, D prime, and C prime is the required irregular pentagon. So A prime, E prime, D prime, C prime, and B. So that's the reduced irregular pentagon. So that's the solution to the question. If you have enjoyed this video, do like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet on the next one.